Hello guys, Flash here from Review. Today we're going to discuss about CryptoNote. In today's video I'm going to show you guys the chart, how to buy CryptoNote and all their social medias. With that being said, let's just go right into the video. Moving on to their website, so CryptoNote. Crypt is a community-driven and fully decentralized cryptocurrency project with a hard cap of 1 billion tokens. They have brought this project to the internet to commemorate the rise or fall of all your favorite projects. If you buy Crypt, you are buying a piece of the internet history. They will not be looking backwards, but they will be here to follow future funny memes and project that deserves to be captured by their snapshot. So over here, distribution and tokenomics. So 75% was put into the liquidity pool, 23% on your pre-sale, and 2% they got a developer's fund. Distribution. There's an equal distribution of coins to avoid large amounts of the token being hoarded by a few individuals, crypto whales. And tokenomics is a virtual token that's run the Binance Smart Chain. This makes for all transaction fees, which is good for everyone. And they have chosen to manually burn a small amount of tokens, 100 million tokens to be exact, as celebrity launch. So the use case of CryptoNotes is they will be used to purchase NFTs on the marketplace, where they will mint a fixed amount of NFT graphics based on lower market cap altcoins that they feel define the mass adoption and bubble phase of crypto. They will be focused on everything to do with the moon meme coins and tokens that have disrupted the market, and will also give the holders opportunity to own a definitive part of cryptocurrency history. The token will also be used to purchase premium membership in the CryptoNotes community Discord, where they have an experienced team dedicated to signals in the market. Quick disclaimer guys, everything I say in this video has to be taken as certification purposes only. I want to show you guys how to buy Crypt. So all you guys need to do is own a MetaMask or a Trust wallet. After that, transfer some BNB into your wallet and make sure the slippage tolerance is on 7%. After that, go onto their website, click on buy Crypt. It will bring you to PancakeSwap. After that, just click on swap, confirm swap, and MetaMask will give you a notification about confirming the transaction. Just click on confirm, and that's how easy it is. I also highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 983 members, as this community is very active and the devs is really cool. Taking a look at the chart right now, so the token was made on the 4th of May. It had a massive pump on the 5th of May, then people just took profits, and now it is on a consolidation point. That being said, for today's video guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out CryptoNote with the links in the description. Flash out.